Then he started a company. I remember one of my guys, one day we're having a conversation about Obamacare. He's in my car. I'm like, listen, tell me about Obamacare. Well, these rich people, we should redistribute the wealth. What problem do you have with redistributing the wealth? I said, what problem do I have? Yes. What's wrong with redistributing the wealth? I said, dude, you didn't earn it. You got to go earn it. I said, do you realize, like, who do you think funded the churches in America? People that gave $5? Or do you think the guy that's quietly going to church that cut a $5 million check? What do you think these charities get their monies from? $3 donations? Or do you think somebody behind closed doors is giving billions of dollars or millions of dollars? What do you think Elon Musk just did that gave $5.9 billion to charity that he just announced? What do you think? How much, who's giving that money? These guys are giving the money through charity. No, we got to redistribute the wealth. I said, okay. So watch what happens. 3 years later, he gets a fat bonus check. And it's $22,000. And I call him up. It's like some number like that. It's a big number, a good number for him. And I say, hey, just wanted to call you. Is your wife with you? Yes. Hey, congratulations, guys. You guys getting a big check. And very excited for you guys. And you know what? I've been working on this whole thing you were telling me about 3 years ago, and you've really impacted my life. And he says, really? I said, do you remember when we talked about Obamacare? Yeah, I want to apologize because I think you were right. He says, well, it's okay, Patrick. It takes us some time to really embrace some of it. I said, no, I'm getting more mature. So here's what I'm doing. This big bonus that you're getting, I know it was a team effort, and your 40 guys really in your office, your agents, were the reasons why you're getting this bonus. So I did the math, and I'm dividing this money amongst 40 people, and they're each going to get $500. And I just want to recognize you for being such a noble leader that you're willing to distribute your bonus amongst your best people in your office.
Your name will be on all the checks. You'll get the credit.
And he stays quiet. And he says, I don't think that's fair. I said, no, it is fair. Because you didn't do it all by yourself. You didn't build it by yourself. Your employees did. You didn't do it. That's why I want to give the bonus to everybody. No, Pat. And he gets upset at me. And then I wait, and I'm just smiling. And I finished the call, and I said, you know what? You're right. You earned this big bonus. And if you choose to give any of it to anybody else, it's your choice. You don't have to do it, and I'm not going to force you to do it. 10-second pause. He says, his only words, he says, I get your drift. I said, no problem. Money's on its way.